I just wanted to make this video because I want you guys to know that if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you can do it. Hey guys, how's it going? So today is a bit of a different video. I want to actually just show you my filming setup and how I create my videos. I think you guys would just be surprised at how I've really just put everything together. It's not very professionally set up. I do what I can. I'm living at my in-laws right now because I lost my job due to the coronavirus. And so Neil and I, my boyfriend, we had to move out of Toronto. Anyway, I don't want to get too deep into it. I'm kind of in a bit of a situation where I have to make it work with what I've got. And so I just wanted to make this video because I want you guys to know that you can easily make videos by just using what you have. For me, I do have like kind of a fancy mic and I do have a bit of a fancy camera, but like you don't need those things. You can use just your phone and you can use just like a headset for your mic or earbuds, you know, the ones with the little mic on it. So I kind of just wanted to give you guys a bit of a tour of my setup so you can see what I'm working with. And if you go and check out my other videos, if you haven't seen any of my other videos before, you can see that like my videos, I think they look good. They look high quality and you just wouldn't expect my setup to be the way that it is considering the way that my videos turn out. So I'm gonna start off with kind of showing you where I sit, and ignore the dog here, by the way. We have 3 dogs living in this house. So that's usually where I sit. And then I have my mic, which I'm holding in my hand at the moment, but usually my mic is kind of sitting in this stand right here. I've got my headset and my controller right there. And then here I have my ring light that's kind of aiming down at my chair, which is not necessary. If you're lucky enough to have a spot where you can sit by a window, you don't need to have a light. You can use the sun. Then I just have this cheap stand for my camera, which usually my camera would be sitting there, but currently I'm holding it. I've had it so long that it's broken and I have like it duct taped together because it broke. So I'm not working with things that are very expensive. The only thing that's expensive is my camera and my mic. And honestly, I didn't start out with that. When I first started my vlogging channel back in the day, I didn't have a super nice camera. I didn't have a super nice mic. I didn't have a mic at all. I used the mic on my camera. So, you know, you gotta just start somewhere. The camera that I'm using is a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The mic that I have is called Audio Technica AT2020. And this one you do need to have this interface here so that you're able to connect it to a computer. But there are lots of mics out there, which I'm gonna link all of this stuff in the description down below. You can use those links. They are affiliate links, so if you wanna, you know, support the channel, you can go check that out in the description. I'll have the mic, I'll have my camera, I'll have everything. So the mic that I have, it is expensive. You don't need something this expensive. I actually did an audio book a little while ago. I was kind of getting into that, thought that would be really fun. And that's why I got the really expensive mic. It ended up working out that I could just use this mic for my YouTube channel. But you don't need something this intense, you know, it's not necessary. But if you have seen my videos, you will know that I use a green screen. And I just want you to know that my green screen is literally a $6 sheet that I put on the back of this mattress. It's sitting on its box spring. I put the $6 green sheet on the back of the mattress. I flip the mattress up. I make sure it's well lit with literally lamps that I've found around the house. There's this one, and then there's this one that's clipped to the little table there. I got that for like less than $10. I don't know where, but I can link one that's similar in the description box below. And I just make sure that my green screen is well lit. With something like that, you might need some type of light, but I honestly, in my past videos, I always just used light bulbs that had really high lumens. So I can also link to some light bulbs that are high lumens. Then all you have to do is get a lamp around the house, switch out the light bulb for the light bulb with high lumens, and then you will get better quality videos. You don't need to have, you know, a fancy dancy ring light or anything like that to create quality content. I use a $6 sheet, guys. Like, you guys can do it. So yeah, that's kind of my setup. I always have my computer next to me on the box spring, and it's connected to the mic there. And then my green screen is behind. So it's kind of an awkward room. So it's hard for me to really show you kind of all of it in one shot. I just wanted to make this video because I want you guys to know, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you can do it. You don't need to have super high-tech stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna list every single piece of equipment that I use, so if I didn't specifically name it in this video, the links will all be down below, so go check that out. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a YouTube channel, what your YouTube channel is. I'll go check it out. I'll give you some likes. I'll check out some of your videos. Or if you're looking for advice, feel free to DM me on Instagram, tweet me, whatever you want to do. All of that information is down in the description box below. I am rooting for you guys. I want you all to start YouTube channels, and I want you to use what you got, because that's what I'm doing. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to super slap that subscribe button if you like this content. I do plan to make more content like this. This is kind of a series that I'm starting where I'm just talking about, you know, how I have become a YouTuber, the strategies that I've used, just tips and tricks and things like that. So if you're interested in more content like this, or you're interested in some video game Let's Plays, then subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. So I'll see you in my next video.